afternoon and good night. I'm coming to you with my locks this morning all over the place. I hope my kitchen is not too noisy because my pressure cooker is on early today. I am off to an early start. Just finished making breakfast for the fam and I'm jumping straight into dinner. And I have an experiment project that I want to do today. I've been wanting to making cake, but I keep putting it off because I've been wanting to buy a big mixer, but I can't get it just yet, and I insist on not buying the hand mixer. But now I decided that hey, I'm gonna get the hand mixer next weekend because I want to make cake and I'm gonna make it today regardless without the hand mixer. So I'm gonna make carrot cake today and I have my assistant here with me. Say morning, assistant.
Say morning, assistant. Hi guys.
Baby's peeling my carrots for me because I'm gonna make carrot cake, and Tyler's gonna have so much fun making that with me. So I'm gathering all my ingredients and I'm gonna make carrot cake. I'm gonna make rice and peas for dinner, and I think that's gonna go with fish and salmon for Tyler because Tyler said he wanted salmon yesterday, so pick up salmon for Ty. And then I'm gonna do the red fish for Babe and I. So yeah, you guys gonna come along and cook dinner with me today. Tyler is somewhere in his room playing. Let me make you guys say hello to the Junior King. Say morning, Fibs. What you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
I'm playing with my toys police.
Aww. Playing with your police toys? Okay, where's your other car like that one that you got yesterday? Do you know where it is? Mama know where it is. Okay, you stay here. I'm gonna go get it for you, okay? It's not that one. You have another one. You want me to go get it? Or is it that? Oh, it's that. Is Papa gave it to you? Oh, it is. So you found it. All right. You want to bake cake with Mama? In the kitchen? Yeah. But Mama is getting all the ingredients ready first, and then I'll call you to come and bake with me, okay? And we're gonna have fun. Yeah? You wanna do that? All right. I'll call you when I'm ready, okay? Alright you guys, I know he'll have fun baking with me today. So I'm gonna get all my ingredients, get cooking dinner on its way, and then I jump right into it. Assistant, what kind of sloppy job is this? What kind of job is this? No. Clean up, please. Clean up. Don't do that, assistant. Don't do that. Anyway, you guys.
Eat that?
Huh? No, you throw it away. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss out. And how can you guys not say good morning to baby D? Ta-da! Say morning, baby. Morning, babes. Anyway, you guys, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. I am going to go ahead and finish doing all that I have to do around here. Hopefully I can get some good assistance from Babe and Ty. So enjoy today's vlog. Make sure you guys have a good day. Whatever it is that you're doing today, whoever it is that tried to make your day not be positive and make you not smile throughout the day, ignore them and pay them no mind. Stay positive. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. guys, I'm making the rice and peas right now. So rice and peas is on its way. Yes.
What's that in there?
Okay, so we're making
What's that in there?
we're making carrot cake, okay?
Okay.
So in here we have, this is lemon zest, is just the lemon skin that Mama grated. And then we have oil here, we have eggs, we have carrot, we have some orange juice, don't drink it. And we have sugar, and we have, in this one, we have flour in here, salt in here, baking powder and baking soda. So you're gonna mix it for Mama. Let me roll up his sleeve. Mama need to buy you an apron so you don't mess up your clothes. Alright. So you guys, since I don't have a hand mixer, I'm gonna use my blender to improvise. So Tyler and I are gonna go over to the blender with the eggs and the sugar. Okay?
Okay.
You coming with Mama?
No.
You gonna stay there? You want me alone to do this part?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Yay! So there you go, guys. That's my sugar and my eggs already.
Mama.
Yeah.
A boy and girl go to jail.
Boy and girl go to jail.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna throw this out in here. Okay?
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. That looks so good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna throw this in here.
Okay.
Throw it out. Like that. Okay? And next, what we're gonna throw in next?
How you do?
No, the oil.
Yeah.
Take up the oil. Take it out. And you throw it in. Here, mix it with your hand. Mix it. Now you're gonna throw in some of your orange juice in it. Only some, okay? Okay, no more. Like this. Okay, now you're gonna throw in your flour in it. Okay, hold this. We're gonna slowly put our flour in. Let's transfer the mixture to a bigger pan, okay? Let's throw it out in here. That will be better. Okay?
And
Ooh.
do the kitty good like that.
Right.
Wow, you go put it out so good.
Hmm?
I said you go put it out so good.
Yeah. It looks good, right?
Yeah.
It tastes good too.
It's just like ingredients.
Yes, all the ingredients that we're mixing together.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what we're gonna add now for the last thing? What's the last ingredient we have to add?
Carrot.
Very good. Very good, my boy. You ready to add all the carrots in? Wait for Mama, wait. Okay, let's put this down and add all our carrots. Whoa! Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty? Okay, hold this one. And we're gonna mix our carrot in the mixture. Just like this.
It's kind of like a circle.
It's a carrot cake. We're making a
Carrot cake.
very good.
Mama,
Yes.
I'm after more orange juice.
No, no more orange juice. Okay, now that all our carrots is in, what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do now?
We're gonna put it down.
We're gonna put it in the pan.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. All of it. All of it.
Oh,
Oh,
somebody
make a mess. Make a mess.
Somebody make a mess.
Somebody make a mess.
It's you.
It's Mama?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take. Okay. What we're gonna do now is hold the pan like this and shake it like this. Shake, 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 shake. And we're shaking it because we want it to be even in the pan, okay? Now what we're gonna do?
Put it down.
Put it in the oven. Ooh, look at that.
Papa,
That looks so good.
Papa.
Guys, rice and peas finished cooking. And now I am going to fry this fish. One for me, one for babe. And then I'm gonna put this salmon in the oven when the cake is finished. Cake just have a few minutes to go. And then we shall be done.
Cake.
What is it?
It's chocolate.
No, it's carrot cake. It's a carrot cake for me. Alright, you guys, that's the outcome of our cake. I'm just gonna let it.
Mama.
Why?
Because it's hot.
That's true. You don't touch, but Mama can. I'm just gonna let it cool a bit and then cutting it to see what it looks like. Okay, Ty?
Okay.
Oh, you want to cut it?
Yeah.
You should cut it. Hold the knife.
Whoa, it's hot.
Cake is wow. Look at that cutting. Ooh, shoddy.
Ooh, Shani.
We need a plate though.
We need a Play-Doh. Yeah. Mama,
Wait,
we can
I should have
do
taken
that.
off the wait.
We can do that too.
I should have taken off the paper. Who wanna get the first bite?
You, Mama.
Me?
Yeah. And me. Oh, Papa.
Oh my gosh. Mission accomplished. Who said you need a mixer to make cake, honey? Ah,
Yes.
so good. Give Bev some. Here, Bev.
Eat it.
And look at this. Look at this texture. Look at this. Yes. Okay, bite.
I'm already bought.
Bite again.
I'm already bought.
Okay, Mama gonna eat off and not give you any more.
Yeah.
So good. So good.
Bye.
Okay, you guys, my job here is done. Rice and peas done. Fish for babe and I is done. Salmon for Thai just came out of the oven, and cake which we already killed a piece of it. So only thing I have left to do is to make some sauce, and then I'll be done for the day. But I'll make the sauce close to dinner time because your girl is tired and I need to go and rest, and I still have things to do. I mean, not anything hectic, but I have to like edit and stuff like that. But anyway, you guys, hope you guys enjoy cooking session today, and tell me what in the cooking session you guys were inspired by to make. Tell me if you're gonna make some rice and peas, or you're gonna make some fried fish, or you're gonna make some salmon, or you're gonna make some cake, girl. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to put my fat bottom down somewhere and rest. Do notification shout out.
Not to make it sound out to go to
Andrea Loving Life.
Andrea Loving Life.
And
And
Jem Ledlow.
Dead
Jem.
Gem Little.
Very good. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Different. Hey faves, you guys, we're coming on to end the vlog. Babe having carrot cake and I'm having ice cream. What a life. Tyler is off to bed, so we're going to do adulting. We're going to watch some TV and chill before bed. So we're just coming on to end today's vlog. Look at his mouth. We won't give you no expression tonight. We're exhausted, we're tired, but you guys get your shout out, so that's good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today a little bit. It wasn't much, lots of cooking. Babe and Tyler really got to spend some one-on-one Papa and Tyler time outside, and it was really good seeing that footage. Anyway, you guys, if you're new to our channel, subscribe, join the fam bam, and enjoy this continued journey with us. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let us know if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.